Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install TeamViewer on Linux. So, in order to install TeamViewer on Linux, we will go into the official TeamViewer site to see the steps and what we need to do. So, I will open the browser. For me it's Firefox, but it doesn't really matter, you can use whatever you want. And right here into search bar we will type in TeamViewer for Linux. I will press enter, and right now, as you can see, we have the site Linux download. We can press on this and we can move to the instruction. So I will only the necessary cookies, it doesn't really matter, and as you can see we have a TeamViewer for Ubuntu /Debian. I am on the Ubuntu distribution, so for me it will work. On Debian it will also work. I don't know if it works on different distribution, you can check it on your own, but I will download that. So we have to click on this blue button and we have to wait a bit for our deb file to be downloaded. So it's 124 megabytes as you can see, and it is completed. So now we can move on to the terminal and we will install it. So I'm in the home section, so I will move to the download section to make it a little bit easier. And right now, as you can see, we have a TeamViewer right there, and we have to install that. How can we do it? We can do it by typing in sudo apt install. So we are using the default command for installing things on Linux. If you are using the different distribution, you have to, and if you will find the file that will work, you have to use your own command for installation on Linux. For example, on Fedora it is sudo dnf install, and right now I have to type in dot and slash. Basically we are doing this like we were like running a script. And right now TeamViewer, and we can fill it with the tab button on keyboard, and I will press enter and I will type in my password. And right now, do you want to continue? We will type in Y, that stands for yes, and because we are agreeing for everything. And now we have to wait for our TeamViewer to be installed. As you can see, it's almost at the 40%, so we have to wait. 85%, 92%, and it is finished. And right now we can check the version, I think, by typing TeamViewer -- version. As you can see, it is working. We have the TeamViewer version 15.73.5, and we can launch it in basically two ways. First one is by typing in TeamViewer in terminal, and as you can see, it is working. We can accept the agreements and we can proceed to our app, and I can close that. The second way to open it is by going into the apps, and we have the TeamViewer icon right there, and we have to simply tap on it. So when I tap on it, the same basically window is appearing, so we can open it like that. And this is how you can install TeamViewer on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.